Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanemkar from Aklos. Today we have discussed a topic in array. Array. Why used in array? If we have suppose that the stored data in employee in the Java, the easily employee information stored in the Java. For example, employee name, employee ID, employee joining date, and employee salary. We have easily stored in the Java, but we have suppose that stored whole whole data in student in this class, and this class present student in 1000. That is the how to access data or how to store in data in the Java. That is very difficult to store whole data in the write the code and write the whole data access in the Java. The how to access this student data? The firstly access in student data is firstly access in the through the array access holder data. Then what is mean by array? Array is the collection of data, collection of the elements in similar data type which is stored in a memory allocation. Array is the fixed size. The array is the used in fixed size. The array is used in very easily and to write the code in very easily, which is the creating object in very easily. Then the uses of the array. Array is the used in to access whole data or access many forms of the data to easily, and it is a access to similar data. Then advantages of the array. Array is the optimize the code. It is a very optimized code. It is the whole code are accept in similarly data and reusability of the code. Then the main disadvantages of the array is the main disadvantages array is the size limitation. Array is the fixed size of the array. It is we have suppose that to whole code as a access, and then we want to add the runtime any access the data to add the data. If we have not permission in to gives array that time, because size is a limitation in array. Then return data type. The array is the access data only one types. For example, we have suppose that access data integer, then array is the whole data in whole code, the only access the only integer data types. That is not be allowed any this code in another data types. That is the another data types. Then array, then syntax of the array is the syntax of the array is the array open curly code, open square bracket, then array name, integer data type, and then size of the array. Then initialization of the array. Then array int open square bracket, then array name, then the return data type, and then size of the array. There are two types of the array. First one is the one dimensional array, and two dimensional array, and multi-dimensional array. One dimensional array is the access the data only one types of the only one dimensional of the array. The syntax of the one dimensional array is the return data type, then open square bracket, then closing square bracket, then array name, and then return data type and size of the array. Then for example, int open curly bracket num is the array name, then is equal to return data type integer and the size of the array. And then array is the then two dimensional array. Two dimensional array is the used in dimension of the two dimensional array is the used in multiple more than array access and more than array. It is access to data. It is a syntax of the integer, then open square bracket, then closing square bracket, then again open square bracket, then again closing square bracket, then array name, then return data type, and then size of the array, and then multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is the used in two matrix form. It is known as the matrix of the array. It is matrix form means multi-dimensional array is the to represent row and columns. Thank you.